God bless you for tuning in today. Hot wallet airdrop, ladies and gentlemen. This is what we're going to be focused on today. And I encourage you to watch the entire video to see how I have been able to stack up this amount of airdrop hot currently, this hot balance in my airdrop stack. Okay, I'm going to be showing you everything, including how to take advantage of the missions, the on-chain and off-chain missions. And if you pay close attention to what is happening in the Telegram meta, and when I say meta, I mean the Telegram trend, is that the meta currently is mini apps built on Telegram or accessible via Telegram on the Ton blockchain is the new printing meta. That is how people are making money. I'm not saying you cannot make money elsewhere, but the web3 opportunities that I have taken advantage of, okay, are based on this Ton mini apps meta right now with Telegram. So that is exactly what hot is. I'm going to be showing you guys the roadmap and where we are currently on the roadmap and how you guys can get started. And if you pay attention to the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you how to take advantage of one of the missions, which is how I have been able to stack this up like really fast. And just to bring you guys to speed overall. So ensure you watch the entire video because it is value packed. Now, with that being said, let us get right into the detail of the video. Hi everyone, my name is Manuel. You know me, so let's just head on right straight. So this is hot. Now, what is hot? It is a signature signing protocol that is signing solution that is built on the hot protocol, right, and accessible via the Telegram app, like we all know. But there are some subtleties to it. Now, if I take us to the main screen or the main the home page for the hot DAO, where you have like everything brought together in one place, and I just do a refresh of the page, you can now see now that the hot decentralized MPC network, okay, and here are some things that you can actually go through. It has really cool features, but you know, on this channel what we care about is how to make money and what are the things that can set us up to make money when the wave is ripe. I'll be leaving a link to this in the description box of the video. Ensure to go through the documentation and understand what they are up to. Now, on to the roadmap. Okay, these are just some other things: signing, transaction, and validation, how they hope to distribute the rewards accordingly. But here is where it concerns us. Okay, here is where it concerns us, and this is the roadmap. So the first point of the roadmap is the start open mining hot. Okay, and then they are currently on setup hot protocol validators on MPC wallet SDK. That is none of my business. What we care about here is how to mine, because if we have learned anything from the ongoing Telegram meta, is mining is the gold. All of these applications that have you mine, do not fade them, because at the end of the day, you saw what Dogs did, you saw what Notcoin did, you recently see what Hamster Kombat have done, and it's going to be continuing like so until whenever the meta dies down and the next meta comes up. But until then, we are here to print. So how do we start mining the hot protocol? Okay, so the first things first you want to do is you want to ensure that you have the wallet. I'm going to be leaving it. The first thing first is you want to have the wallet. Okay, pardon me for the construction noise you hear in the background. There is a construction going on in the background, and that's where you have the knacks coming from. Pardon that. But to get started mining this hot airdrop right now is really simple. All you have to do is you just have to be invited. Okay, so if I invite you, you'll find a link in the description box of this video, and then you just regularly check in every single day, and I'm going to provide a link to the airdrop and testnet tracker that I designed, and with that you can easily follow through all of the trackings that you're doing, all of the interactions you're earning. Now with hot, it is really simple. Now what you see here is a failed transaction I was trying to interact with this morning, but for some reason Telegram was just delaying, and that's what happened, and it threw some error. And as you can see here, my hot balance that I have mined so far is 1.47 hot. And it says here that my storage is full. So if I click into my hot balance, you are going to see that currently in storage, what I am mining is this. This is my hot balance, as you saw before. And if I want to claim, I'll just click on this. So if I click on the claim hot right now, you see that it's going to drain it down somewhere around here. You saw that right now. So it's drained, and you can see my balance have gone up 1.48. Now, when I do that, the next thing to do is to click on the missions. So if I click on the missions down at the bottom, this is where it gets interesting. Believe it or not, Hot currently has some underground integrations with other blockchain ecosystem. So within the Hot wallet, you now have access to interact with other protocols and projects, and you're rewarded in Hot. So for instance, this mission, although has ended, I somehow missed this mission. Okay, and all I have to do for this mission was to swap $20 plus worth of stun, and then I win a 95% chance of getting anywhere between $3 to $3.5. And if I had finished it, well, I could claim the benefit, and 10,000 of this was this $10,000 was distributed. So the ongoing campaigns right now, you can see of 15.26 hot to be distributed. I have only collected one. So guys, you can see that this thing is really early. You can really get in on this. Okay, so here is campaign number 1. We have the BNB campaign. You can complete on-chain missions from the BNB blockchain, complete on-chain missions on the Ton network, and the list goes on. You can see I've completed some. I've completed here. We only have 4 missions. We only have 4 missions right here. We only have 3 missions right here, and then there is the Tron missions as well. Complete on-chain missions on Tron. So like I said earlier before, if you notice what is happening across all mini apps built and accessible via the Telegram on the Ton blockchain, is all of the Ton activities going on. Each of these mini apps, right, they would have you at one point or the other complete a Ton transaction. Now this is where it gets interesting. You need to have a Ton wallet, whether on Telegram or your standalone Ton Keeper app, and then have some form of Ton there. Maybe $1 Ton, maybe 1 ton, maybe 0.3 ton, maybe $5 ton, maybe $20, according to your pocket. Just have money in your Ton, and then maybe send from your Ton balance to your Ton wallet in any of your centralized exchanges like Binance or Bybit. Let the smart contract for the blockchain of Ton record your transaction, because we all know that the principle of the blockchain basically is just transparency, a transparent ledger system that records transactions, whether sending or receiving, and all they want to see is that you have done a transaction on the Ton blockchain. So when I start this action now, I won't be able to do this now because I do not have my vendor available at the moment to, send some money to my Ton. But I'm going to do this, and then I'll do this, connect 3 apps. So once this is done, guess what? I complete this and I get 3.1 hot. So it's real simple, guys. It is real simple. This thing is easy. Even if you don't have the money to get on this right now, there are other, you can see I'm just scrolling through the list. There are other missions that you can take advantage of. There is the mission where you explore crypto. So this is the mission right here. So this one is the one you can hop on right away. So we just click into it. All you need to do in this mission, it's an educational task, and you just go through the list of videos. You can see I've watched this video. It says completed. It says completed. And if we go down the list, it says complete. If I click on show all, you can see all the list right here. All the list right here. Boom. This one is going to give me 0.2 hot. Beautiful. This one 0.2 hot. I believe the next one will be increasing. Okay, cool. So once you're done with all of this, you have stacked up some number of hot in your hot wallet, and you are going to be rewarded. So that's it for this video, ladies and gentlemen. Find my referral link or my referral code in the description box of this video. Get started on hot. Okay, use the airdrop tracker and testnet tracker that I built to get started and stay on top of your game. And I'll see you guys in the next one, ladies and gentlemen. Remember, I am your airdrop and testnet hunter guy, and I bring you these informations, and we are going to print really hard. You learned something from this video, drop 100, ladies and gentlemen, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.